Did you know? Fork is a common eating utensil and has many important uses. Forks are appreciated for their affordable price and convenience. It is commonly found in takeout boxes. Plastic forks are also available at most grocery stores and convenience stores, and nearly any commercial establishment that offers certain foods. So, how are series of forks made? What manufacturing process for forks in modern factories? Follow us through the video below. The process of mass production forks in the factory. First, the selected steel plate is fed into the cutter or stamping machine to create the basic shape of the fork. Specifically, the steel plate is fed into the machine system and then compresses and cuts the steel bar to create fork shape. The process is done quickly, based on the most modern and automatic machines. A series of forks are stacked on the crate, one by one, and the cart will take them to the rolling mill area to expand the area. Specifically here, fork is laminated to the desired size. Forks will be rolled to a thickness of 1.8 to 2 mm. This gives a good balance and can be used comfortably when taking food into your mouth. In this next stage, they will move them to the forming machine area and straighten the fork handles. To do this, you need to pay attention to correctly place the fork handle in the position of the press mold of the machine. At this time, the machine will use pressure to make the handle more straight and become firm and stable. The robotic gripper system will work continuously. For the sake of finishing, the warping is not enough. Most importantly, it is necessary to create a skewer for the fork. Therefore, in the next process, the fork will be put into the forming and stamping machine system to create gaps into the unique fork skewers. The shape of the fork blade makes it easy to scoop food from the plate into the mouth. With the skewer blade, you can scoop food more conveniently and accurately, especially for small or slippery dishes. Next, they will bend fork. In the upper part of the fork will be bent. Curved fork blades are often considered more aesthetic options than regular straight blades. In particular, with the curved fork, users can easily cut and scoop food more conveniently. If necessary, the curvature of the fork can be adjusted by changing the pressure or angle of the machine. After the part has been machined, forks are neatly stacked one by one to be inserted into the clamping tool. Then, they will be put into the grinding machine to smooth the surface and remove cracks and traces from previous machining. Fork is then quality checked, and final finishing steps such as polishing, electroplating, or anti-rust coating are applied. This process takes place continuously and meticulously detailed to produce the best quality forks. And the final steps, the forks will be sprayed with a cooling mist to remove dirt, then stacked on a tray with a holder. A series of shiny fork trays will be brought to the packing area, where they will use small plastic bags to save coats for fork packing. After the forks are packed, they will be put into the machine to be checked and branded on the handle position of the fork. The branding must be clear and beautifully designed so as not to be confused and vulnerable to the other manufactured brands. Forks are often accompanied by tools such as knives. It is used for main dishes, meat dishes, or pasta dishes. The main fork must be for the same size as the knife, not only stopping at skewering food and eating and drinking. The fork is also valuable in many aspects that many people still do not know. The effect of the fork can also vary depending on the type of the fork and how it's used. Forks need to be properly cleaned after each use to ensure its safety and prolonged life of the fork. What do you think of these useful little forks? Please comment and let us know. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. For now, hello and see you in the next videos.